the livest and most direct, boys, for a trade recap today. We have got two trades to go over. One, because I forgot to do one of them, but that's fine. We will go over it today, and we'll do that one first. So, 1.87R on the 5th of December on EURUSD, as they call it. No one calls it that, but we'll replay through it anyway. It's going to be mech bias, so it's going to be a really easy one to go through. We'll probably just let the indicator do this, because it'll be easier for me to run through it that way. So we marked out Asian low, and then we obviously had our fake out zone tapped into. So if we wind it back a second, boom, fake out zone was formed here, and then you'll see where it got tapped into. Look, price tapped into the fake out zone right here, and then all we waited for was a BOS to the upside. Now there was news on this day, as you can see. I did pull out for news. We broke structure here. This was into London session, got tapped in straight away, and then we did pull out 15 minutes before news, which ended up giving us about 1.87R. Now, some accounts it was 1.9, some accounts it was 1.8, so just an average there. What am I doing with the fib tool? I'll show you this here. And then, yeah, see, look at that candle open. It was about 1.85, 1.87. So this was this EU win that we got. Bias was the mech bias, so it was bullish. Nothing to really add here. Really easy, break of structure to the upside. So we're looking for the most recent break of structure to the upside on the mech model, as you already know. You've probably watched these videos before, and if you haven't, super simple model, mate. So I'm sure you won't need to watch many before you understand. Now, going over to this order trade, which was a loss, but I think it was necessary. I mean, we are on an absolute fucking slammer, especially on mech London. I mean, hybrid, I'm getting slammed on in like the last 10 trades or so, but it's all perspective, isn't it? It's all short term in the end of the day in the grand scheme of things. So we'll see what the next trade holds. I need to fill this out now. Boom, boom, boom. We'll do 47.9R up on the year with the hybrid. Now, going into this AUDUSD trade, let's go back. Now, this was actually a hybrid bias piece, so we can go through the bias read on this one, just to get you guys knowledgeable on that piece as well. So, like I say, hybrid's slower right now, but there's times where mech's losing, hybrid's winning much more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So daily, look at the distance here from this candle open, the 5th candle open, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, the 5th candle open to the 1st candle close. That's all we're looking for here. Bullish to the upside. Now, significant highs and lows. We've got 1, 2, 3 significant lows in a row getting raised, or this one rather. 1, 2, 3. And then the highs as well. 1, 2, 3. Boom. We got that V shape on the line chart with a good shape as well, distance, covering the up and the down, which is what I'm looking for. Okay. And then the 1 hour, as you can see, we've reconfirmed so many times here, but essentially we are bullish on the 1 hour from 1, 2, 3, significant lows in a row getting raised one after the other. 1, 2, 3, significant highs in a row getting raised one after the other. So bullish on all time frames today for AUD. Then as you can see, sweep, fake out, break of structure, New York cross entry. So this even does the New York cross, bro. It's insane. New York cross entry. So the candle after New York open extended the fib range, which allowed us to take the New York retrace instead of the New York sweep, which resulted in us losing today. Once again, part of the process, really, really normal stuff. And we have lost today's trade on AUDUSD. And that is the summary, boys. That is the summary. If you want to join the Discord, everything you need to know is in the description. Nothing much from me today, just a little trade recap. Make sure I'm on top of it, keeping myself accountable. Peace, love, and unity. I'll see you boys in the next one.